Good morning, children. Welcome back to English class. In previous class, we have did with our PEP activity, right, children? Now see the grammar topic. Read this sentence aloud. Okay, read this sentence, children. May we come in? May we come in? Is the man being rude or polite? Discuss. What I told you, children, may where we will use in for asking permission in a polite manner or rude. Yes, polite manner we will use may. Okay, the man is asking in a polite manner. We use the word may in questions to ask for permission. Okay, these also questions. What type of questions, children? Permission. Okay, we are asking the permission. This generally indicates that we are being polite. Okay, that means if we are using that may word in your question, that means we are asking in polite manner. ఓకే, మనం ఈ క్వశ్చన్స్లో పర్మిషన్ అడిగే క్వశ్చన్స్లో మే అనే వర్డ్ యూజ్ చేస్తే ఏంటంట, మనం పొలైట్ మేనర్లో అడిగినట్టు. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ సి, మే ఐ బారో యువర్ పెన్? నేను మీ పెన్ తీసుకోవచ్చా? ఓకే, మే ఐ గో నౌ? నేను ఇప్పుడు వెళ్ళొచ్చా? ఓకే, సి హౌ పొలైట్లీ ఎంత బాగా అడుగుతున్నాము, లైక్ దట్. ఓకే, రైట్ ఏ సెంటెన్స్ యూజింగ్ మే టు seek permission. Okay, we have to write one sentence by using may for permission. Okay, right, children? May I capital I, may I come in? May I come in question mark? Right, like this. May I come in question mark? Mr. Patel is going to visit the school. Mrs. Patel is not feeling too well. He is not sure if she can come with him. How will he convey this to the school committee? Tick your response. Okay, that means what? Ikkada పటేల్ అండ్ మిస్సెస్ పటేల్ స్కూల్కి వెళ్ళాల్సి ఉంది, బట్ మిస్సెస్ పటేల్కి హెల్త్ బాగోలేదు. నౌ దిస్ పటేల్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ష్యూర్, అంటే తను వస్తుందో రాదో కన్ఫామ్గా చెప్పలేడు. ఇప్పుడు స్కూల్ కమిటీకి వెళ్ళి ఏం చెప్పాలి? వి విల్ సీ షీ కెనాట్ కమ్ with me, she may not come with me. What is correct, children? What I told, may we will use in asking for permission, and may we will use what? Chance of happening something. Okay, that means the Patel is not sure that Mrs. Patel will come or will not come. That means what we have to say? May not come. Okay, she may not come. That means tanu రాకపోవచ్చు. Okay, cannot come means what? Tanu రాలేదు. Okay, she may not come with me. Tick here in the second box. Okay, now see, children, next. May is also used to suggest if there is a chance of something happening or not. Okay, already I told may we will use in asking permission and also in chance of something happen or will not happen. Okay, Mrs. Patel may not go with Mr. Patel. She may or may not be well enough to go with her husband. Okay, chances means may or may not be. Okay, తను బాగుండొచ్చు లేదంటే బాగాను కూడా లేకపోవచ్చు. See, we use the word may in sentences to express possibility. What we will use? Possibility. Here may not means possibility is not there, maybe. Okay, and here possibility, when its possibility is there we will say as may. See here also, for example, Rita may join us for lunch. Rita may join. That means possibility is there. She can come. తను రావచ్చు, వచ్చే అవకాశం ఉంది. Okay, Rita may join us for lunch. Here we are not sure if Rita will come for lunch or not. Okay, కన్ఫామ్గా చెప్పలేము, అంటే షూర్గా తను వస్తుంది అని చెప్పలేము, కానీ రావచ్చు, వచ్చే అవకాశం ఉంది. ఓకే, రైట్ ఎ సెంటెన్స్ యూజింగ్ మే టు షో పాసిబిలిటీ. దట్ మీన్స్ బై యూజింగ్ దిస్ మే వీ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ ఏ పాసిబిలిటీ సెంటెన్స్. It may rain now. It may rain now. That means we are telling for sure, children, rain will come? No. Maybe possibility is there, but we are not sure with it. Okay, it may rain now. May is a helping verb. Already I told, it is used also with the main verb to seek permission or to express possibility. Okay, that means we are using this helping verbs with the main verb. See here, may is helping verb and join is main verb. We are using in this permission and chances, we are using this helping verb along with the main verbs. Okay, children, this is about today's class, and tomorrow's class we will go with these companion textual exercises. Okay, children, once again read this page 84 and revise this may helping verb, children. Okay, thank you so much. Have a nice day.